Hosta Hans, your guide to this shade-loving superstar. Hi, Ferb here. As a plant enthusiast, I've come across countless varieties that leave me mesmerized. But there's something truly special about Hosta Hans. This shade-loving perennial has captured the hearts of gardeners worldwide, and for good reason. Today, I'm here to answer all your burning questions about Hosta Hans and why it deserves a spot in your garden. What is Hosta Hans? Hosta Hans, also known as Hans Golden Ribbons, is a medium-sized cultivar belonging to the Hostaceae family. It's prized for its stunning foliage, boasting bright yellow margins that elegantly contrast with its deep green, heart-shaped leaves. The contrast becomes even more pronounced as the season progresses. Hosta Hans matures to a height of 18 to 24 inches and boasts a spread of around 30 to 36 inches, making it a perfect choice for borders, walkways, or as a stunning ground cover. How to care for Hosta Hans. Here's the beauty of Hosta Hans. It's incredibly easy to care for. Light. As mentioned earlier, Hosta Hans thrives in shade. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, so avoid planting it in full sun. Look for areas with dappled sunlight or morning sun followed by afternoon shade. Soil. Hosta Hans prefers moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Amending your soil with compost or aged manure before planting will provide the nutrients it craves. Watering. Water your Hosta Hans regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Fertilizing. While not strictly necessary, a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can give your Hosta Hans a growth boost. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around your Hosta Hans to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Does Hosta Hans flower? Yes, Hosta Hans produces lavender-colored flowers that bloom in mid to late summer. While the flowers are attractive, the true showstopper is the foliage. Is Hosta Hans deer-resistant? Fortunately, yes. Deer generally find Hosta foliage unpalatable, making Hosta Hans a great choice for gardens prone to deer problems. How fast does Hosta Hans grow? Hosta Hans is a moderate grower, typically putting on 4 to 6 inches of growth per year. Can Hosta Hans be grown indoors? While technically possible, Hosta Hans isn't ideally suited for indoor growing. It thrives in cooler temperatures and prefers the natural light fluctuations that come with outdoor living. Hosta Hans versus other Hosta varieties. With hundreds of Hosta cultivars available, you might be wondering how Hosta Hans stacks up against the competition. Here's a quick comparison with two popular varieties. Hosta Francii, similar to Hosta Hans, France boasts beautiful yellow margins. However, France is a smaller cultivar, reaching only 12 to 15 inches in height. It also has a slower growth rate compared to Hosta Hans. Hosta Blue Angel. This shade-loving perennial offers a stark contrast to Hosta Hans. Blue Angel features blue-green, heart-shaped leaves with a prominent waxy sheen. It's a slightly larger cultivar, reaching up to 24 to 30 inches in height. Ultimately, the best Hosta variety for your garden depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors like size, color, and growth rate when making your choice. Conclusion. Hosta Hans is a captivating shade-loving perennial that is both easy to care for and visually stunning. Its vibrant foliage adds a touch of elegance to any garden, making it a true standout. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that delivers big on beauty, Hosta Hans is definitely worth considering. I hope this comprehensive guide has helped you learn more about this exceptional Hosta variety. Happy planting!